This Audi's A3 check engine light just came on. The Audi still drives and handles as good as it always has. So what could its problem be? Here's the check engine light, and I've scanned it with this basic tool here. You could also get it scanned from some auto parts store, and the fault code is P0456. This code is for small leaks in the evaporative emission system. In short, it's also called the EVAP system. The key here is small leaks, which is why this car has no drivability issues. These leaks have to do with fuel vapor leaks. Here's the code, P0456. This is a very simple OBD2 scan tool that connects to the bottom there. More often than not, these leaks have to do with a damaged gas cap. So let's investigate this current one. So to kind of take it off, we all know how to take it off. Take it apart. Ours is broken here, but let's go investigate this in the car. Let's go see what could be wrong with this. As you can see, the rubber rings are cracked. You see that? There's one over there, pretty big crack. There's a pretty big crack right there. And that is likely the source of this EVAP fuel vapor leak. In my hand, I bought a new cap for around $20. It's made by Phoebe Bilstein. It's a German brand, although very likely not made in Germany. Those doesn't tell me where it's made in. It's not definitely made in Germany because I would have told me to do so. And now if you look at this one, you can see the rubber. It's nice. So let's go put this one back on. It also has the intact wire here, so you don't lose it. So what we're going to do here is we're going to remove this. See, we're going to remove this. We don't need this. This is already on the car. And we're going to do this, and we're going to put this on the piece that's on the car, and we're going to tighten it in. So let's go do it. So this piece is going to go over there. Here's the old one that's kind of ripped off. It's kind of really old rubber. So all you got to do is you got to push down on this, and then kind of lift just like that. Push it aside. Take your new gas cap, and just try to wrap it around. It's a lot more pliable. There you go. Take this one and try it on. Give it a few clicks. It seems to work properly. Check engine light will clear itself after a number of drives, usually 30 plus drives with a total of at least 50 miles or 75 kilometers. So give it a week or so of some pretty simple driving. And the more you drive, the faster it will clear itself. You can also use the scan tool to erase the code. So to summarize this problem, if you have this P0456 code and you don't want to see a paid mechanic, then try inspecting your gas cap. And if you see those tiny cracks in the rubber ring, then replace it yourself. If the cap doesn't solve your problems, the solution can be more complex for the DIY mechanic, as it can be a slight crack in the fuel neckline where you pump the gas, a faulty purge valve, or a vent solenoid. Some of these are more fixable at home than others. But as I said earlier, this cap is by far the most common issue. I'll provide an update in the description from time to time about this problem and if the gas cap was the right fix. On the screen, you'll see another one of my Audi DIY maintenance videos. In the video description, you'll also see a complete playlist of my Audi DIY videos. Thanks for watching and bye for now. Handy Val.